looking for business to do while in school, or you're looking for a way to make passive income while in school? All right, this video is for you. Please watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving you easy business you can start with little or no capital in the comfort of your what? Home. And while you're schooling, it doesn't interfere with your studies. Okay, first business you can start is revamping of wig business. Revamping of wig business has started to gain like more audience in recent time, like in this 2024, but it is still like low key. You can dive into it. What do you need to start this business? You just need hair products and hair equipment, such as hair product like your shampoo, your what is it called again, your conditioner, your hair conditioner. You need like a wig stand, that dummy head and the stand, you need it. You need a straightener, a hot comb. Those are the basic things you need to start your hair revamping business. And this thing might the cost of this might be up to like, let me say like 30,000-40,000 naira. But don't be scared, don't panic. You can start with just shampoo and conditioner and rollers, coilers. You can start with that. Then as you get money from the business, you can now buy more and more equipment you need. You need to do research on it so that you know the different way to style different hair and different way to revamp different hair texture, so people can get value for their money. Okay, go on Google, do some research, go on YouTube, watch content around how to revamp hair. All these things are out there, so it's not like it's so hard. And the good thing about this is you can give people time, your time duration, which the hair will be available, so it doesn't interfere with your studies. Okay, the next business you can also do is becoming an agent. An agent is a middleman or a middle person between the buyer and the seller, or a service provider and those that need the service. You can become an agent to a real estate owner, or you can become an agent to what's it called, people that are into short-let or apartments. I will advise you to become an agent to people that are into apartment or short-let, because you get your money real fast than when you are trying to sell a property like landed property or a house or rent. This, if you're trying to sell this, it might take time, because you have to convince people, and people might like take time to maybe in weeks and months before they'll get to buy one property. There's money, but it takes time. I'm trying to give you something you can be getting money from like daily or weekly. Now, this is how you start your agent work. First, you need to meet these people. You need to meet the owners of this property. You can get to meet them online, because most of them post their properties online. You get their email there, you email them and give them the proposal that you want to become an agent. Then you can give them clients, and you guys negotiate on certain percentage. And if you're okay with it, good. Or you can walk into the property, like their physical property, and ask for their manager and also give them the proposal. So whichever one that is convenient for you. Like I said, you can be anywhere and become an agent. You can be in Lagos and be an agent to properties in Port Harcourt, Abuja, Benue, anywhere in the world. Yes, you can do it. The world is the world is digital now. It's global. You can do anything from wherever you are. When you're trying to become an agent to a hotel owner or an apartment owner, please don't go for hotels that already have names like established, not like no, let me not use established. Don't go for hotels that already have the hotels that are very popular. You can go for those hotels that people don't really know about, but they are really nice hotel. They don't really know about those hotels. Like for example, when I travel interstate traveling, I get to ask the taxi that pick me from the airport if there's any if there's any hotel or guest in within this price range. And you see, then they take me to like 3 to 4 different hotels or guest in that I don't even know exists. Do you understand? And they are so nice. At the end of the day, anyone that I get to pick, this agent get his own profit. Sorry, I mean the taxi man get his own profit from taking me to that place. For the short-let owners, it doesn't matter any of the short-let, they all want customers, they want clients. Even if they have 1 million clients, it's still not enough for them. So you can meet them, give them the same proposal that you can be giving them clients or customers. You agree on the same percentage also. And now that you've sought out properties to be giving customers to, what do you need to do next? You need to put yourself out there also. You need your phone and your data. You create a page and put the business out there. post the pictures and videos you get from these people, because they'll definitely give you pictures and videos to post. You post it. You can run sponsored ad and do targeted audience. If you don't know how to run sponsored ad for targeted audience, you can drop a comment in the comment section so I can make a video on it. So back to what I was saying. You can run ads targeted audience around, because people troop into the country, troop into the states, your place all the time, and they need somewhere to rest or somewhere to stay. So you putting your business out there and running sponsored ad, you definitely get customers, you get clients that will contact you. So when they contact you, you have to direct them to this property, and when they eventually take it and pay for it, you get a percentage. You see, you are in school, you are in your house, and you're making cool cash without even moving an inch. You just make cool cash with your phone. What you need is your phone. Do you understand? Stay in the comfort of your house and be navigating things and be getting credit a lot. All right. So the next business you can also do while in school is the cluttering business. That business is gaining more and more audience in 2024 because it is profitable. Now So now what is the cluttering business? The cluttering business is selling of barely used items or items that have been used but they are still in good shape. For you as a student, you can start this business because it is very, very easy. There are always final year brethren, people that are graduating. There are people that are coming into, they are like freshers that are starting school. They are like freshers that are coming new into the school. They need things to buy. They need items. While the final year brethren are trying to sell out things. So you can be a decluttering agent, or should I say you can render decluttering service to these people by telling them you can help them sell these items that they own, and you guys agree on certain percentage, or you can tell them, okay, how much are you selling this particular good or product? If the person is selling it for, like, let me say 20 naira, you can tell them, okay, I'll be selling it for 30 naira, and you guys agree. If you get a buyer for it, you bring the buyer, and negotiation starts. You bring the buyer and the transaction start, and you get your percentage or you get your cut from it. You see, very, very easy. And it's very easy for those in school because there are people graduating every year and there are people coming into school all the time. Aside from those graduating and those coming into school, people always want to buy things, and students want to buy things that are affordable. Do you understand? Instead of buying something new at very high price, you can buy the one that you can buy the ones that have been used but still in good shape. So it's a good business to start in a student environment. Now, what do you need to start this business? You need your phone and your data also, because you need to put your business out there. You need to sell this thing out there, especially in a school environment. You can call these people to come check out the item. If they like it and they are okay with it, the person pay for it. But if it's not like that, you can partner with a logistic company. Then they get to take this product to, or this item, to the person, for the person to see it. When they see it, if they like it, they pay for it. If they don't like it, it's fine, but they'll pay for the delivery fee, okay? And for you to post the cluttering items, you need to give details on the present state that item is. You tell the expiring date, how long that thing has been used. If there is any scratch or any damages, you state them. Like, be transparent with your buyers so they can trust you. Do you understand? You don't want people stressing to buy your item. Somebody wants to buy something from you and you're stressing them, they won't want to come back again. But if you make it easy for them, they will know that, oh, this vendor or this particular person render good services. Whatever this person says is what it is. So try to be transparent in listing, in giving details of that item. Do you understand? And the cluttering business, you can sell anything. You can sell clothes, you can sell shoes, even you can do the cluttering service for yourself. Like, you can sell your own items. Maybe your shoes you don't really like again and it's still in good shape, you can sell it. Your clothes that you bought that is not your size, you can sell it. Your wig, your, like I said, skincare. I was surprised to see that, and trust me, I was seeing sold out on the page. It is very, very profitable once you know how to do it correctly. And now you can see that you don't need money to even do it. The only thing you need to do, okay, let me say you need little money, maybe money to run sponsored ad for this for the product that you post online, or you might just, if you have audience already, no problem. If you have people you want to sell it to already, no problem. You can see you don't need to buy anything. All you just need to do is to connect to people that somebody that want to sell and somebody that is in need together. And that is it. You're making cool cash from the comfort of your home without any stress. Okay, now the last business you can also do is becoming a YouTuber. Yes, you heard me well. If you get monetized on YouTube, you'll be making cool cash without over stressing or doing too much. And yeah, you might ask, oh, how do I say I don't have like a good phone, or I don't have certain equipment. Trust me, you don't really need anything. You don't really need equipment to start your YouTube channel. What you need is just a phone with camera. Maybe you might be worried that, oh, my videos are not clear. Let me tell you something. I've watched several videos that my eyes are paining me, but I'll still watch it to the end because they are giving value. All you need to do is to create content. Since you're in school, create content around your school. Tell us how your day goes. Tell us something about your school. Tell us, like, there's a lot to create content around. I'll be ending this video right here because I don't want it to be long. Please go and execute the tips I give to you. Trust me, you don't even need much. You understand? You just need the willingness. You need the willingness and the motivation to do it. And I have given you the motivation. Just go and get started. For my returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much. I hug you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And if you're here for the first time, my name is Afred Stephanie, and you are highly welcome. Don't leave without hitting the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and guys, please hit the like button so that this video can go out there, please. Okay, and if you have any question or you have anything you want me to talk about, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video.